I'm responsible for the project Rheinmetall Steyr 556, the rifle, the new cooperation we have with our cooperation partner Steyr Mannlicher from Austria. If you see the Rheinmetall weapon ammunition portfolio, you see 26.5 ammunition up to 155 caliber, and what you miss is the small caliber. So we decided to go into the small caliber market with our cooperation partner Steyr Mannlicher with a new rifle, which is based on the AOG in the past, which is optimized up to the STM 556, and together with Steyr we optimized it again up to Rheinmetall Steyr RS556.
Actually, you see here, right, the RS556, the new version of our standard system assault rifle. This rifle is built in a special design. We have done the same design task as we have it in the AOG, and you see we have exchangeable barrel on top of it. If you spin around this pin, you can take off the barrel. This is the same design what we have done for the AOG. In here we have a gas block on top of the barrel where the gas port is in here, and it's a short stroke system, and we have here the pin which is pushing the bolt back into the system. Taking away the barrel and mount the barrel is pretty easy, so you spin the part, take it off and put it in, so it's a really easy part to change it. The second interesting part at the weapon is that we have a monolithic housing, an upper receiver on top of it. It's mounted from one part of aluminium, and it's done in a really interesting way, that we have a really long Picatinny rail on top of it. Actually, magazine is done it's an own design what we have, and we use our own magazine system for the weapon. In the housing by itself, we have a new design. It's a bolt carrier system. It's made from steel, and therefore this is the reason, because we do want to have a steel housing for the bolt carrier to the bolt, so that we do not have the wear in the system. And it's designed with a special treatment that we can run the whole weapon oil-free. We have the chance to save the system in the loaded version, so that we have not with the normal AR-15 systems that we can save the weapon just when it's unloaded. It's also possible to save the weapon when it's loaded. We do have our own design for the grip, and the grip has a system where we can put some cleaning systems into the grip. It's also possible to put a shooting counter into the barrel. We designed also a new stock, and this is an ejectable bolt system. It has 7 positions, and you can adjust it in really nice way. This is actually the sighting system what we know from our AOG system, so it's not necessary to put this sighting system on the weapon. You can mount whatever you want. You can have a standard system. You can choose whatever you require. You can put a red dot on top of it, so it's really flexible. Therefore, we have this Picatinny rail what we can mount on. This is our 40mm grenade launcher. It's designed in a similar way with opening system as we know it from the from the RS556. We have this pin. It's a side loading system. It's a steel barrel. We made the barrel also in our house. It's a steel barrel, and actually with a safety pin, and it's mounted right on the Picatinny rail. The future for the weapon is to use it in different armies. So actually with the exchangeable barrel, you can mount the right barrel right in the beginning. From what you really want to do, you can use a short barrel for using the weapon in villages and in housings, and using a long barrel for long distance shooting.
Everybody knows that the German army will replace the G36. There is a tender at the moment about 120,000 assault rifles. and we will answer the tender with a new RS556 together with Steyr. And that is the next step, what we have to do as a company, and we will be the most important competitor of Heckler & Koch, I think.
Okay, thank you very much.